Hello students, today we are going to solve the third problem. Question is given as a line measured on a uniform slope with a 30-meter tape pulled with a force of 5 kg. It is the value of P. The length of line was found to be 525.80. It is the value of capital L. The temperature at the time of measurement was 30 degrees Celsius, that is capital T, and the tape is correct at 24 degrees Celsius, that will be the value of T naught. When there is no pull, it means that the P naught value is 0. Determine the horizontal distance between the end points of the line. The difference of levels of the two ends of the line is 9.14 meter. It is the value of small h. The coefficient of thermal expansion of the material of the tape is 0.00001 per degree Celsius. It is the value of alpha. Cross sectional area of tape is 2 mm square. So it is the value of capital A, and its modulus of elasticity is 21 into 10 to the power 5 kg per centimeter square, which will be the value of capital E. Now we need to find the correct horizontal distance, for which first of all we need to determine the correction due to temperature changes. Okay, now correction due to temperature changes, we know the formula, that is L alpha T minus T naught. Now we have the value of L equals to 525.80. We have the value of alpha equals to 0.00001 per degree Celsius, and the value of T is 30 and the value of T naught is 24. On solving this, we will get the value of correction due to temperature equals to 0.0315 meter. Similarly, we can determine the correction due to pull. Its formula, we all know that it will be equals to P minus P naught L upon A. Okay, now the value of P is given as 5 in the question and the P naught is 0, and the value of L will be equals to 525.80. Similarly, area is given as 2 mm square, so we will write it as 2 into 10 to the power minus 2 into 21 into 10 to the power 5, that will be the value of modulus of elasticity. On solving this, we will get the correction due to pull equals to 0.0626 meter. Now that will be the value of correction due to pull. Now we need to find the correction due to slope, and its formula is minus h square upon 2l. Here the value of h is already given in the question, that is 9.14 whole square divided by 2 into the value of L is 525.80. On solving this, we will get the value of correction due to slope. It will be equals to minus 0.0795 meter. That will be the value of correction due to slope. So the total correction will be equals to the sum of these three. So total correction will be equals to 0.0315 plus 0.0626 minus 0.0795. It will be equals to 0.0146 meter. That will be the total correction after addition of correction due to temperature, correction due to pull, and correction due to slope. Now we need to find the correct horizontal distance. So the correct horizontal distance will be equals to the given distance, that is capital L, which will be equals to 525.80 plus the total correction, which will be equals to 0.0146. After adding these two values, we will get the correct horizontal distance, which will be equals to 525.8146 meter. That will be the correct horizontal distance between the 2 points, which will be equals to 525.8146 meter. That is all about this question. Thank you very much, students.